Are you frustrated with the market right now? You can't seem to get your offer accepted. And now, because of all that frustration, you are thinking of waiting to buy a house, maybe next year, 2 years, 3 years, because you heard on the news, houses are gonna drop. Well, let me tell you, they are not gonna drop. Do you know how much money it's actually gonna cost you for waiting? Well, in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how much it will cost you if you wait 6 months, a year, or 3 years. Look, I get it. It's frustrating right now. You can't get your offer accepted, houses keep going up, and you heard on the news that houses are actually gonna drop, right? In the near future, houses are gonna drop. Well, let me tell you, they are not gonna drop. All economists are saying that they're gonna continue going up. Yes, they are not gonna appreciate as much as they have been. Right now, we're like at a 14-15% appreciation. It's not gonna be like this forever, but this does not mean that the houses will go down. A lot of people are saying that because of, people are gonna lose their houses because they have been in forbearance, people can keep their houses. Well, no, because the government's giving a lot of help. If a homeowner's in forbearance, all they gotta do is once they get out of it, they just, whatever they owe, they just put it to the back of their loan and they just continue making their payments like nothing ever happened. No late fees, doesn't affect their credit, nothing. So believe me, houses are not gonna drop. So what I'm gonna do is, let me show you numbers, data, how much it's gonna cost you by waiting, okay? So let's get to it. We're gonna go with the house here in Silmar, right? Let's just say the price is gonna be $650,000, that's your price range, 650,000. We're gonna go with 1.25% annual tax rate, which is gonna be around $1,000 a year. We're gonna go with $60 a month home insurance, and let's go with conventional. We're gonna do 30-year conventional. Down payment 5%, let's say $32,500. Interest rate 2.875. It's a good estimate of what today's rates are. And mortgage insurance is gonna be $180 a month. Let's say closing cost is around $11,000. Okay, so now let's look at the numbers of the cost of waiting. So if you wait 6 months, this is what happens. Now the house that you were gonna buy for $650, now it's gonna be worth $680,000 in 6 months. Yes, because appreciation. Now, interest rate will still be around the same. It's still gonna be a 2.75. Rates are not gonna change. Now, let's see 1 year. What's gonna happen in a year? In a year, now that value is the house, now it's not gonna be $650, it's gonna be $698,000. And now interest rate, yes, it's gonna go up 3.25%. Now, if we wait 2 years, that house is now gonna be worth $715,000. And rate, 3.5%, because rates are gonna go up. Now, let's wait 3 years, and now this house is gonna be worth $746,000. Interest rate's gonna be now 4%. That's crazy. Okay, that's just waiting 3 years, and believe me, houses are not gonna drop, they're actually gonna go up. So look at these numbers. So if you look at the appreciation from $650 to $750, right? Payments over time, it's gonna go, if you look here, let me see, where's the monthly payment? If you look here, now, if you wait 6 months, the payment difference is gonna be $131 difference a month. That's how much it's gonna go up. That's because of the rate, and it's gonna be, houses are gonna be more expensive. If you wait 1 year, payment now is gonna be $338 difference. 2 years, $526. 3 years, $852 difference. Now, your payment's gonna go up that much. Now, just look at this cost of waiting for appreciation and amortization. Now, in 6 months, you lost $37,000, or that's the cost that you're doing for waiting 6 months. $37,000. 1 year, $61,000. 2 years, $96,000. 3 years, $137,000 is the cost for you waiting. Yes, that's what happened. People that a couple years ago when I was talking to, they wanted to wait because houses are gonna go down, and look at it now. And we're in the same boat. If you keep waiting, this is what you're looking at. If you just look at this, $137,000 you're waiting for 3 years in 3 years. And now additional cash required. Obviously, you need more for the down payment. So 6 months, you're gonna need $1,500 more. 2 years, $3,000 more. 3 years, you're gonna need an extra $4,800. And like I said, payments are gonna go up. So payment went from, you know, a year, in 1 year, $4,000 monthly, $338 more a month. 3 years, $852 a month is what the cost of waiting. $10,000 a year. Now, this is what I want you guys to look at. I wanted to show you these numbers for all the people out there that want to wait. All the people that think houses are gonna go down. No, they're not gonna go down. Look at these numbers of what the cost of waiting is. It's gonna cost a lot of money. You're gonna lose a lot of money by just buying later than now. So I recommend just stick to it, keep trying, and you know, just buy now. And if you don't have an aggressive team, you don't have an aggressive realtor, aggressive lender, switch it, because that's gonna be important. Right now, we're getting our clients' offers accepted. We're getting our clients' houses off market. And like I said, we're the one-stop shop for real estate. I mean, if you're interested in buying, I'll help you qualify. I'll get you the best program. Well, you know, we'll find you the house. We'll show you houses. I'll find you an off-market property if that's what it takes. If you know, we want to get you a good deal, I'll find you an off-market property. So I will get you into escrow. My team will get you into escrow. We will get you a house. So I recommend buy now, do not wait. Houses are only gonna go up. And on the flip side, if you buy now, look how much money you're gonna have in 3 years, $157,000 of you know, value on your house. So please buy now. If you're interested, give me a call to 818-472-5491, or you know, send me a message. So I hope this information was useful for you. Please share it with your friends and family, and let me know what I can do to help you guys. Have a good one.